In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use email templates in Microsoft Outlook. If you find yourself typing the same messages again and again, like acknowledgements, status updates, or quick how-tos, templates can save you a ton of time and help you stay consistent. Start by opening a new message. In Outlook, click the New Email button to bring up a blank Compose window. You'll be working inside this window for everything that follows, so think of it as your workspace for building and using your templates. Next, look for the More Apps option in the Compose window. When you click it, you'll see a list of available add-ins. Choose My Templates. This opens a panel on the side of your message with simple, ready-to-use blocks you can insert into the email body. If this is your first time using it, the panel may be empty or show a few samples, which is perfect for getting started. Now create your own templates or select an existing one to use as your default starting point. To create a new template, use the Add or Plus button in the My Templates panel. Give your template a short, clear title so you can spot it quickly later, then type the content you want to reuse, anything from a 2-line reply to a full paragraph. Consider leaving placeholders like name, project, or date so you can personalize it after you insert it. When you're happy, save it. From now on, that block will be just a click away. To use a template, simply click its title in the My Templates panel, and it will drop straight into the body of your email. You can edit the inserted text just like any normal message. If you need to revise a template for future use, open the My Templates panel, select the template, and choose the option to edit or delete. Keep the set lean and relevant so you can find what you need fast. If you have one message you send most often, treat that as your default. Open a new email, click More Apps, choose My Templates, and insert that go-to template first. Then customize the details, update the subject line, and you're ready to send. Remember, My Templates inserts content into the message body. You'll set the subject, recipients, and any attachments as usual. That's all there is to it. Open a new email, go to More Apps, pick My Templates, and create or use the template that fits your message. With just a few clicks, you'll write faster, stay consistent, and reduce errors in your day-to-day communication.